Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M14 and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings and then scroll down in order to find Accounts and Backup. Here we've got whole Google Drive section, so let's tap on Backup Data, and as you can see, we will be immediately transferred to this Add the Google Account section. So let's tap on Add Account, of course, if you do not have your Google account previously added to this device. Here from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol. What is more, you have to have the internet connection to complete this operation. So let's tap on Next. And here we have to enter the password. Let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Okay, not now. And as you can see here, we've got the section with the information about the backup to the Google one. So you're able to use 15 GB of the account to back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically. Of course, it will store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on Turn On. And here we've been transferred to the section of the backup, connected with the backup. We can check the account storage, so we can check how much space we've got left. You can of course manage it, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Here we've got the backup details, so which kind of data has been backed up already, and we've got this option, and I highly recommend to keep it turned off, because thanks to this your device will back up the data only by using the Wi-Fi. So you will be sure that you will not be charged for going over the limit or something like that. So to finish the backup, just tap on Backup Now, and basically that's all. This is how to enable the Google Backup in your Samsung Galaxy M14. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.